Commitment 2014 report brings us the race for Attorney General, where voters will see clear differences between the two contenders, incumbent Republican Pam Bondi and Democrat George Sheldon. That's especially true when it comes to medical marijuana and gay marriage. Washington's political reporter Greg Fox is here with us live. And Greg, what's Bondi's biggest objection to medical marijuana?
Just as the sheriffs and police chiefs are concerned, Bondi believes legalizing medical marijuana will lead to widespread drug abuse and higher crime. Her opponent is confident that the state will be able to control it, regulate it, and he wants voters to approve it.
Hey guys!
Pam Bondi and her St. Bernard Luke have been traveling the state, at times with Governor Rick Scott, and campaigning for re-election on the platform that she cleaned up the pill mills and is protecting Florida families. But her Democratic opponent, former Deputy Attorney General George Sheldon, says Bondi has been avoiding sensitive issues like her continued battle in support of the state's constitutional ban on gay marriage.
She's now intervened to stop two individuals who happen to be lesbians from getting a divorce. First, she opposes gays marrying, and now she doesn't want them to get a divorce. I mean, she's got to have it one way or the other.
Bondi counters by saying the civil union between the lesbian couple is from another state, so Florida has no legal jurisdiction to dissolve the relationship. Her latest action was to ask a U.S. district judge to maintain a stay on his ruling that Florida's ban is unconstitutional.
I swore to God to uphold the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the state of Florida. This isn't legislation. This isn't policy. This was put into our Constitution by the voters.
Sheldon and Bondi also strongly disagree on Amendment 2, which would legalize medical marijuana. Bondi opposes it, saying the language opens the door to drug abuse. And Sheldon, while preferring that lawmakers had legalized it, says marijuana is and should be legal medicine.
We have done everything in our power to fight this war on drugs. Every pill mill we shut down. We don't want to become a pot shop.
I don't think any of us want to get to where Colorado is and have recreational marijuana. But I think we've got to start listening to scientists and doctors about the serious benefits that medical marijuana can provide.
Bondi has also been featured this week in a New York Times investigation that says she and other attorneys general have taken trips in which lobbyists representing companies accused of fraud also have attended. Bondi's office has not investigated those companies. She told me she is not influenced by lobbyists and that the trips helped her to coordinate efforts to stop human trafficking. Brett?